By 2030, the price of Algorand algo should be between 0.491779 and 0.928916. Aside from algo, market examiners could hit 0.382495 by 2025. Bearish Algorand is expected to be worth $0.087427 on the market in 2023. Since its start in 2019. When the blockchain worked with Coinbase to build El Salvador's digital currency framework, the Algorand algo cryptographic money has fought to rise above its ICO value. In September 2021, the price of algo went up, even though it is now lost. Most of the people who look at these additions and sites that try to guess prices are hoping that it will one day return to similar levels. The next step for the altcoin is a better look at what is happening on the Algorand blockchain and an analysis of how its price is going up. What does Algorand mean? I'll go with the Algorand blockchain, which uses algo as its local cash to solve the problems of safety, speed, and freedom. Algorand gets this done by making and approving its blocks using a method called corrupted proof of stake, which is a way for people to agree on something. How much code does a client, how randomly the block chief and accepted board of trustees are chosen, depends on how much people bet. Silvio Macaulay, a professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, started Algorand in 2017. Its blockchain and local currency came out in June 2019. The price of algo coin dropped right away a day after one more expected number came out. The amount of algo's cash was broken down like this: private backers of finances, investors bought algo through private position changes that set the price of each coin between 5 cents and 50 cents. When the token was delivered, it was worth $2.16. Backers will put in a lot more money than they did before. Chen Fong, who used to be in charge of projects at the Algorand establishment, sent a word to the business world. According to the letter, the early sponsor put the drive at risk by undercutting and unloading coins, which was shown by a study by a global coin exploration algo expert and an algo specialist. The price of algo's currency went up quickly after it was added to Coinbase. According to Algorand, the price had gone up by about 30 cents in the year and a half since the news came out. Even though there were a few bumps, the money started moving in a positive direction at the beginning of 2021. This trend continued throughout the year, and the token supported it by reaching a long-term high of 1.71 cents, just like algo did before its price dropped. The first stablecoins took the stable nature of government-issued money and mixed it with the decentralized nature of digital currencies. Algorand has become a serious option for stablecoin guarantors because Ethereum's gas costs are high because of a joint effort with the temporary currency. Algorand, a trading stage tool for the global market, also stood out. Algorand handled a lot of deals worth a lot of money like clockwork. In August 2021, El Salvador said that Algorand will be the basis for its digital currency. At the time, the coin was worth about $1.12. But in the days that followed, the price jumped to a post-launch high of $2.38, which has never been reached before. Even though Algorand just launched a new design that makes smart contracts better by letting them be written in well-known programming languages like Python and allowing them to reach more people, since LimeWire, a program for sharing documents, chose Algorand to run its NFT commercial center. And algo has seen some ribbon after hitting a high of 97 cents. When FIFA said it would work with Algorand, it said that the company would become the association's real blockchain platform and give the association's real blockchain help wallet, but the Q2 bull runs were short-lived. And by mid-May, algo trade was at a 36-cent low because of a big crash. The price of Algorand is now $0.109296 US dollars as of right now. Algo has changed 0.06 and there have been 27,610,231 trades. Algorand is now the 45th most valuable digital currency, with a market value of $852,430,664. US dollars RSI weighted normal MWA moving average using the overall strength file from the curve above. We can use the Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity mapped to figure out how much Algorand will cost. To sum up, we will either have a good year or a bad one. We use a fixed algorithm to figure out how much something will cost. I'll talk about market data. All of the information on our website is updated in real time, so we can give dynamic cost estimates based on how the market is moving right now. Value expected of Algo and Algo in 2023. From some points of view, Algorand is one of the most interesting digital currencies to come out this year. I'll go with the Algo cost number for 2023, which could reach 0.163946 in the last part of the year. The ascent works like other digital coins. Will stay steady, but drops of more than 0.153016 are rare. The cost is high, but it could happen sooner rather than later if predicted coordinated efforts and proponents work together. The estimated value of Algo is 0.131157 Algorand Algo value expectation 2024 of 2024. We expect that the cost of Algo will soon go above 0.273243 because many new groups and campaigns will soon make declarations. But we can't make any good predictions until we see if the Algo's general strength file comes out of the oversold zone. If the vertical pattern stays the same until 2025, bets will sell at a base exchange price of 0.218595 and an average exchange price of 0.240454. According to the Algorand Algo value forecast for 2025, it could hit 0.382540, which would be good for the algorithm, but if the market goes down, the goal might not be reached. The expected exchange rate for Algo is 0.349751, and the lowest rate is likely to be 0.327892.2025. If Algorand promotes market opinion well among digital currency fans, the Algo coin price might stay the same for the next 5 years. If so, Algo will be green in 2026, according to our estimates. In 2026, the algorithm should hit and pass its all-time peak. In 2026, the price of the virtual currency will be 0.491838, with a starting price of 0.437189 and an average price of 0.459049. After a lot of research and figuring out, we think that the Algo cost will cross a usual value level of 0.556834 in 2027.